And hi friends, so happy Diwali to all. So I'm in India, so it's Diwali now. So you have somebody has been asking me that how to make this collab notebook work. Okay, so to make this collab notebook work, like this 3D Kanbans, what is this? So this is a simple project. So as usual, you just no need any coding. To study coding, there will be another video, but this is highly based on semantic segmentation, I think so, because it is just crafting, it's just cutting the detected images and it's just projecting it forward. Okay, so you have to git clone it and do stuff like this. Okay, so just go here and you can see my image being visualized in this way. So it is a 3D kind of photos. So you have a mountain behind and I am in front, and now what happens is it just gives a very pleasant like motion poster. Okay, making a motion poster of yourself for free. Okay, so creating a motion poster for yourself for free. So let me just tell you how to do that. Sorry. So it's so simple. So let me go to my downloads. Okay, and okay, I have the photos here. So I'm going to convert this into a sort of what to say, a motion poster. So just change your runtime now. Okay, and go here, just git clone it. Okay, run anyway, click run anyway, like this. Okay, do it step by step and let these all finish. Okay, let these all finish and 3D Kanbans, and let get it to the folder rum images, and we have to upload it, right? So these are all going to be activated now. So it will take a while. That first thing has been, it has been finished downloading and all those GitHubs. So it will take some time. So wait a minute. Okay, so now what happens is that or else what you can do is you can go here and click run all, and it will get to this point where you have to choose the file. You just choose the file. Okay, to create a motion poster. So now what happens is go to the desktop, and I have some images. Okay, it will take some while. Okay, the system is pretty slow. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to get here, and you have wonderful images over here of me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this picture come to 3D motion poster alive before you. So it is just done. Then again you have to click this and click it. You just run all. You just activate the GPU, because without GPU it is going to take some time. So there has been some mistake. So module error, no module G event. Okay, this I don't think this error comes often, but I don't know why it's coming. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's choose the file now again, or else we have to just reboot it and take another break and choose it. Okay, so you got this error. So let's reboot this. Okay, reload the page. It's not a big one. Okay, but the main thing is that the random errors may occur. Okay, but if you are using it on a Brave browser, not like Chrome, then there should be some error. Okay, you don't have to worry about it, and change the runtime to GPU and just click run all. Okay, run anyway. I don't think it's going to come because it's a very random error. Previous thing when I did it, it does not come. Okay, so let it be compiled. So now again I am just compiling it. So I have just clicked run all. Okay, and I'm going to click this picture of mine. Sorry. Okay, so again you have this G event module error. So let's see what happens. Images, it's not just compiling. So let's go for an, what to say, oh, so it could not find this module. So control C. So we can make a pip install. That's not at all a problem. Just go here and do exclamation pip install. So the G event module is missing, and just run it. Oops. Okay, it has been done. Okay, now there should be no error. Okay, it's just downloading the model. Okay, so if you just do it G event, it will be done. Okay, you can have this file. Okay, you just go and check this thing. Okay, have fun with it. So let me show you the results. So the process is finished. There was only a little error now. Okay, so here is your video. Okay, an wonderful video. You can just watch it. It's a 3D video. Okay, motion poster. So it is taking some time. Let it take its own time. Okay, so it will be now be done. Not this, not this. We didn't do with this. Okay, this is some sort of that sort of thing. So we can just compile it again. So click run all and let's run this. Okay, so I we just change the name to CV, given it a very short one. Okay, so let me allow multiple files. Okay, so let it download. Something it's doing the same thing again. So let me choose it again, choose the file again. Okay, it should be very small. The file should be very small. Okay, and get down, choose it. Okay, and okay, now let's see what happens. Already satisfied. So let's see it's going to build this image or not. Okay, so it's not just moving the files. So that's the problem with it. Okay, you have to take the file and move it. So let's see what's happening now. Okay, I have just figured out another solution. You can just go to this folder and just delete the double strike file, because we are just getting often that, and just upload a new file. This would be a better choice, because I have not been doing that. So let me choose this. Okay, reminder the upload recycled. Okay, so it has been uploaded now. So now what you have to do is you have to just go over, click it. So let's see what kind of images show up now. Okay, base help for more information. Okay, shape. Okay, it's telling some mistake. Okay, so let's delete this and do it again. It may take a while, because I am also new to it now. Okay, so let's start doing it this. So this should work. So let's see. So the extension of the file, and you have to upload it in this manner, I think so. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's just running, so it will take some. So as you can see here, my 3D file has been created. So when I just do this, as you can see, it has been created in 3D. Okay, so let me show you. So just go to the downloads, and you can see this often. Okay, and this is the file that has been created. Okay, as you can see from here, this is 3D photo, a motion poster in 3D. Okay, so this is the way you have to do this 3D thing. Okay, so go and just look for it. It's easy to do, or else you can just go here. I'll pick another photo for you. For example, I was in the crowd, and let me show you how I am being done. Okay, okay, so let me rename it, rename the file as gh, very short. You have to rename it very short. Okay, and do it right. Oh my god. Okay, Now what you just do is you just click this. I'll click this. Now there will be another 3D photo. Wait for some time. And friends, as you can see here, there are three kinds of things, and this is the 3D photo of mine. Okay, so you can create it this in this way. Okay, so let me show you. The crowd photo was really wonderful. Okay, you can just go here and just see this 3D photo. Okay, and as you can see from here, this is being in 3D manner. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, as you can see from here, it is completely 3D. Okay, so you can take this, and as you can see here, when I just play this, it is being in 3D format. Okay, like this you can do this 3D segmentation as motion poster. So thank you friends. So this is me signing off. Okay, happy Diwali. So try this 3D Ken Burns. I'll give you this file. Okay, have a good day.